In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Discord camera on OBS. To get started, open OBS Studio first and make sure it stays running in the background. This part is important because Discord needs OBS to be active in order to detect the virtual camera properly. If OBS is closed, the camera option may not appear later when you try to select it. Once OBS is open, go ahead and launch the Discord app. After Discord loads, look toward the lower area of the app and click the gear icon to open your settings. This will take you into the main settings menu, where you can adjust different audio and video options for your account. From there, click on Voice and Video. This is the section where Discord lets you choose your microphone, speaker, and camera source. If you have multiple camera devices connected to your computer, this is also where you can switch between them. Now scroll down until you find the camera section. In that area, click on the camera drop-down menu to see the list of available video sources. If OBS is running correctly, you should see an option called OBS Virtual Camera. That is the source that allows Discord to display whatever OBS is outputting as your camera feed. Click on OBS Virtual Camera to select it. Once you do that, Discord will begin using OBS as your camera source instead of a regular webcam. This is useful if you want more control over your video, such as showing overlays, scenes, or a customized layout through OBS before it appears in Discord. If you do not see the OBS virtual camera option right away, make sure OBS is still open and running, then check the drop-down again. After that, your setup should be ready to use inside Discord calls or meetings.